Trojan Win64 CoinMiner is a detection of Microsoft Defender that you can see popping up in the system. It normally flags the malicious programs that overload the system trying to mine cryptocurrencies for crime actors. In this video, I will explain what this malware is and how to remove it. In normal situations, Trojan Win64 CoinMiner flags a malicious cryptocurrency miner. The detection name is pretty self-explanatory. That name may include minor viruses that belong to different families and developed by different hackers, but all of them ultimately use the same tricks and functionality. Typical symptoms of CoinMiner activity are impossible to miss. Such malware takes all the CPU resources possible, leaving only maybe 5 to 10% for the system to run. It becomes impossible to use the computer for anything. Even web browsers will load for almost a minute. Such excessive load, especially for long periods of time, can lead to excessive hardware wear and possibly even malfunctions. But how to remove Trojan Win64 CoinMiner from the system? Manual analysis may be complicated, especially since malicious programs can sometimes mix their files with legit applications. For that reason, I recommend running a second opinion scan with gradient soft anti-malware. It will quickly reveal whether there is any threat to your system or not. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan. So the program will go through all the system elements, down to configuration files and hidden folders. The scan will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to remove the detected malware. If no detections appear during the scan, then you have likely seen a false positive detection. But when there are malicious programs, I would recommend you to reset all the passwords that you have in the system. This way, cybercriminals will not be able to use the leaked credentials. In any case, good luck and stay safe online.